An Airbnb is a platform that allows property owners to rent out their homes, apartments, or rooms to travelers seeking short-term lodging. The name Airbnb is a combination of air mattress and bed and breakfast, reflecting the company's early origins in which founders Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia rented out air mattresses in their San Francisco apartment to attendees of a design conference. Today, Airbnb has grown into a global phenomenon with over 4 million listings in 220 countries and regions. Starting an Airbnb business can be an excellent way to generate extra income by renting out your property to travelers. In this article, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of starting an Airbnb business. Step 1. Determine the feasibility of your property. Before you begin listing your property on Airbnb, it's important to ensure that it's a feasible option for renting out. Consider factors such as location, size, and amenities to determine whether it's likely to attract guests. For example, a property located in a popular tourist destination with easy access to public transportation and local attractions is likely to be more attractive to potential renters. Step 2. Get your property ready for guests. Once you've determined that your property is a good fit for Airbnb, it's time to get it ready for guests. This may involve some minor renovations or upgrades to ensure that it's clean, comfortable, and functional. Make sure that your property has all the necessary amenities, such as towels, linens, and toiletries, and that it's equipped with reliable Wi-Fi and other essential electronics. Step 3. Create an Airbnb account and list your property. Next, you'll need to create an Airbnb account and list your property on the platform. This involves creating a detailed listing that includes photos, a description of your property, and information about the neighborhood and local attractions. Be sure to set a competitive price that reflects the quality and location of your property. Step 4. Set your rental terms and conditions. Before you begin renting out your property, it's important to set your rental terms and conditions. This includes determining your rental rate, minimum and maximum stay requirements, and any additional fees such as cleaning or security deposits. You should also establish clear rules for guests, such as no smoking or pets allowed. Step 5. Respond promptly to guest inquiries and bookings. Once your property is listed on Airbnb, you'll start receiving inquiries and bookings from potential guests. It's important to respond promptly to these inquiries and bookings to ensure that guests feel welcome and comfortable. Be sure to communicate clearly with guests about check-in and check-out procedures, and provide them with any necessary information about your property. Step 6. Provide excellent customer service. To ensure that your guests have a positive experience and leave positive reviews, it's important to provide excellent customer service. This includes responding to any issues or complaints promptly and professionally, and going above and beyond to make sure that your guests have everything they need to enjoy their stay. Starting an Airbnb business can be a great way to generate extra income and meet new people. By following these 6 steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful Airbnb business that provides a great experience for both you and your guests.